folks, we are out here. What is this called?
We're at the Mountain Market in Monteagle, Tennessee.
All right, you say it.
Okay.
Let's get away from the engine. All right, guys, we have made it up here to Monteagle, Tennessee. We are up here at the 61st annual
Mountain Market.
Obviously, our friends, the High Tire Kraus, are up here. We wanted to come up here and check it out.
For sure.
And see the festival. You know, we like bringing you festivals. We bought you one a couple of weeks ago up in Gatlinburg. So we wanted to kind of show you what was up here at this and show you some of the vendors. So you know, they do this one. It's the last full week of July every year. And like I say, this year's the 61st anniversary of it. And so they've been doing it for a lot of years, and so I'm sure they'll be back again next year.
And they know what they're doing.
Yeah, so we'll show you what's inside, and that way you guys can decide if you want to come back and check it out.
Yep, let's go see what they've got, guys. Scented candles. Those are for the wax melts.
The wax melt. That's cool.
Yeah, those are neat.
Yeah, I like that. I like the
Very
color.
pretty.
Yeah.
I like them.
Captain Beth's Rusted.
Those are cool. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So I just have one question. How do you know where's 95?
I don't know.
Gary told us it was 95. Like that would tell us how to get straight there.
That's what I thought.
There he is. Right there.
Yeah.
You want to go? That's pretty cool. Uh-huh. It's pretty awesome, isn't it?
Not too bad.
It wasn't bad.
We came to a dead stop a couple of times. Dead stop long, and then once you get moving, you're like, why did we stop?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it wasn't terrible.
That was okay.
You and your whirly gigs.
I like them.
That's cool. That one makes its wings flap.
Oh look, it's paddling the boat.
Oh, that's so cool.
Look at that.
Yeah, when they spin, it makes it move. That's cool.
Oh, that is too cool.
That one bicycles.
Uh-huh. That was sawing him in half.
Uh-huh. That's really neat.
Wow.
There's one with a pig in a boat. That's a flying pig.
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
Oh, the bunny in a boat.
That's neat.
That is cool.
Yeah, those are awesome.
Love it there. That is too cool. Hello.
Oh, there
All right, how you doing?
Pretty, pretty. Stained glass, babe.
Just like teachers saying, like,
That's really neat.
Without comfort and how
Some of them are really impressive.
Which one are you liking? Look at these. Those are pretty neat too. Look, it's Mickey and Minnie. That's pretty neat. Good. How are you?
Yes,
Okay. Thank you.
I saw this flag before one of the years ago. Look how
It's wavy.
that is cool.
That's very cool. Yeah, that's neat.
Oh, those are pretty.
Yeah, those are awesome. And they have a doggy too. That moon is awesome.
How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Who's the photographer?
That would be me.
Ah, they're beautiful.
Me and her together build the frames.
I like
They're
the frames,
gorgeous.
too. The frames are very unique.
Thank you.
Yeah, really pretty. And the dog's not shabby either.
He's like the boss. Supervisor, boss.
That's
He wants
my
to
kind of
get down, but I
picture.
don't want him to get all yucky.
Yeah, and muddy.
He likes to sleep, sit in my lap.
Uh-huh.
Get me muddy.
Yep, if his feet get wet, you're in trouble.
He's cute.
Yep. Y'all take care. Yeah, that's neat. You see how they colored some of the books? He likes pictures like I do pictures. Yeah, the checkerboard with the...
Yeah, that's neat.
That's really cool. Ah, there. There's another one over there. The flags. Yes,
I
it
like that.
is.
They come out of an old barn that's probably about 125-year-old. That's
Oh, wow.
red hard pine.
Really?
Man.
And that poplar actually come out of an antique bed slat.
Huh.
How about that?
I wanted some green poplar. I seen that board there, and I thought that come out of that old bed we sold. And I blanked it down, see what it came out of real pretty green.
It is
did.
very pretty.
That's awesome.
Wow, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, that one's gorgeous.
What do they call it? Wormy or something like
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, it is pretty. What kind of wood is this?
Hickory.
A hickory? We just seem to be drawn to
that?
hickory.
Yes, yeah. Everything we look at is hickory.
Our kitchen cabinets are hickory, and our floor in our kitchen is hickory.
That probably wasn't easy to find either, was it?
I'm sure it wasn't. Yeah, I like the shape of this little one up here too, Gary. See that one? That's neat. It's the ones with the holes in it. They're beautiful. There's the boots.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was gonna tell Gary we found them. Good, how are you?
Good.
So I was gonna tell Gary we found them, but he's talking. Look, it's doggy soap. Boy, it smells good.
It does. Really nice.
Hi there. Those are really pretty. I just don't have the ability, I don't think, to ever learn to do that. Yeah, those are gorgeous. Yep.
These here, I've got 4 sets here.
Oh, okay. So it's pen and pencil both. That's cool.
That's awesome.
Really nice gift ideas there.
Mm-hmm.
Graduate or whatever.
Yeah, those are really pretty. I like the shaped ones. Those are awesome.
He's got some seam rippers there.
Yeah.
Razors and essential oil diffusers.
Mm-hmm.
Toothpick holders.
Very cool.
Yeah, that's really
Yeah,
neat.
the razors are pretty.
I like the razors.
Yeah, the razors are nice.
That's nice stuff.
He's taking a Gillette Mach 3 blade.
Yep.
And then he's got 2 safety razors down there. It's just the handles.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
That
like
set there has got the badger hair brusher.
Yes. Yeah.
That's
what I shave with every morning.
Oh,
Yeah. Can't beat the badger hair.
no.
See this one?
That's the best one right there.
Yeah, that's nice. I
really
like that a
cool.
lot. And the fan pulls too.
See those?
Uh-huh.
Those are diffusers. They're
Oh,
not
the
fan
diffuser.
pulls.
Oh, I thought it was a fan pull.
They're essential oil.
These are just,
Those are the essential oil.
I got
Right.
you.
This is a key ring.
right.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah, I saw
detachable,
that.
so you can,
Yeah.
detach.
As he thought the same thing I did. At first, we thought those were ceiling fan
There's a
pulls.
key ring with a
Oh,
bottle
okay.
opener on it.
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
Last one.
I have some, I just don't
My
have.
eyesight gets much worse. I'm going to need one of them.
And these are little key rings with cigarette lighters on.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
They're gorgeous. Thank you so much.
It's only Mother Nature. Came in the wood, I just played with it.
Did you see this?
Oh, that's neat.
Isn't that pretty? It's a set.
That is neat.
Oh, it won't stay.
Slide it back.
Oh, there you go. You've done that a time or
See,
two.
these are his and hers because they're reversed.
They're reversed.
Oh, how about that?
That's
That is
cool.
neat.
And
Those are
I
really
did
pretty.
One, tried to make it darker, but it just didn't do too good.
The color's
the
too
color
close
just
Yeah.
Yeah.
blend together.
It's very
I thought
subtle.
there'd be more,
Yeah, it is very
I thought there'd
Yeah,
be
it's
more
very
contrast
subtle.
between the
Wow.
black and
It's still pretty, but it's more subtle. Yep.
Yeah.
I like it.
That's
That's
a talent.
awesome.
You're
For
very
sure. Should we get Brexley a monogrammed hair bow? I wonder, do they have baby hair bows? So we got Cody the dinosaurs. Do you guys have any of the baby headbands? Other side? Oh, I see those.
So they wear the headbands and then they slip a little bow into them. For the babies that don't have a lot of hair.
Mm-hmm.
So these have the bows already attached to it.
Oh, that's
All
cool.
these. Then I've got these here, the headbands here, different
Okay.
ones, and then these are just the headbands.
Right.
You know, you just slip here.
Gotcha.
Pick your bow.
Cute,
These
cute,
are
cute.
interchangeable. These are not.
Right, right. Gotcha. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at the beach one.
Mm-hmm.
And the chairs, the one with their Adirondack chairs. That's cool. Yeah, and there's an old car. That's pretty neat.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
How are you? Right. The lazy dog. Hi there. Good, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Cheese slicers are neat.
Yeah.
Walking sticks. Made from Tennessee trees. Very cool. I like it.
All right, guys, we had a wonderful day yesterday. We hope we showed you some of the vendors and stuff up there at the craft show in Monteagle. Again, just a reminder, it comes up there every year. It's the last full weekend of July every year. And who knows, next year we may be there set up ourselves.
Very true.
But they had over 100 vendors. I know we didn't show you real close-ups of any of the vendor stuff, and we do that on purpose because, you know, these craftsmen up there, they work very hard on their crafts, and we never want them to think we're trying to steal their crafts, but also we don't want to get too close up and other people steal their crafts. They work hard to develop these skills, and
They deserve the credit.
yeah, and they deserve, you know, your patronage by buying from them. So, we hope you find some of these craftsmen somewhere at a show near you, maybe, and go check them out and buy from them. And like I say, most of these craftsmen up there that we talked to have been going up there for years and years. Like I say, this has been going on up there for a very, very long time. And so we hope you go up there and check it out. And like I said, we hope you gave you a good overview. And we had a wonderful time. You know, after the craft show up there ended, we ended up going around the city up there in Monteagle.
Found the best restaurant, guys. You got to go check out Jim Oliver's Smokehouse.
Yeah, I mean, man, I mean, it's like taking a step back in time. It's been there since 1960. And I mean, when you go in the store, it's the old oak creaky floors. They've got all kinds of antiques inside the store.
Barrels of candy and old soda fountains, and I mean, it's
player
just
pianos,
awesome, guys.
Yeah. And but they have a restaurant and everything there too. They actually even have cabins and hotel rooms there too.
You can spend the night. Yep.
And we checked their rates, and honestly, they was just as reasonable as any of the other chain hotels in that area. So
for sure,
you know, we probably go back up there next year. Like I said, we're talking about going up there, maybe setting up as a vendor. That's probably where we'll end up staying. So I'll put all the links to everything down below. I'll put a link to the market. I'll put a link to Jim Oliver's down there. And so you can check them out. And like I say, Monteagle is a super, super cute little city. They've got some wonderful shops and restaurants up there. And I urge you, you know, if you're anywhere in the area going up 24 in Tennessee, when you hit the top of that mountain, get off there at Monteagle and go check these folks out, man. You won't be disappointed.
For sure. And if you go to Jim Oliver's, you have to get a fried pie with ice cream. You won't be disappointed.
Yeah, it was amazing. So see you guys next week.
Bye, guys.
Don't play with my butt. We're on camera.
Nobody can see it.